Oh my gosh, calm down. Oh, look at Papa.
I have shiny body glitter.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. It's a bedtime.
Happy 4th.
Nana's here.
And Papa's
Papa.
Hi everybody.
What are you eating?
French toast.
Yummy, Sora?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
Nana got us all this.
Those people think
Let me change Sora.
And then when Haley comes down, she's going to want to have you do the tattoos.
it's not true. That was her line. I know.
I have shiny body glitter that we're gonna put on after I help Sora dry her Hatchimals.
Oh, so cute. Kuru shite. Kuru kuru kuru. She looks so cute, huh? Yeah, we're gonna do the hair. Sit down.
Nice.
It's not going to
You want this one? Sorry, you want this one?
because she said she wanted her
Yeah.
tattoo on her forehead.
Where's the other one, hey? The big oh, it's in the cradle. Sora's in the cradle.
Yep. Yay! It kind of looks like a little firework.
Wow.
Cute.
So cute.
I'm gonna put mine right here.
You want me to put it on you, or you got it? That's cute. That's really cute.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
We're gonna do body glitters now. Can I close my eyes? Yeah, we have to do it on your arms
And
or
then
on your
we're going
legs.
to do this. For you.
Okay, I'll do glitters.
You don't want a tattoo?
No, I have a tattoo.
I know.
She's gonna wanna have it after everybody do it.
Wait, I don't know if you can see, but it's
You want to sit?
a little bit shiny. I mean, it's for like this.
Is the tattoo going to?
Well, she wants hers on her forehead.
I want mine under my eyes. Like
And I
it
think
shows.
she wants the stars, she said.
Which one did you pick?
Look, guys.
Star or heart?
Oh,
Toss.
cool.
So this one's for Sora. Up a little bit. There you go. Oh really?
Yeah.
Forehead.
Oh, she wants on her forehead. Okay. Right here?
No, we got more.
Oh my gosh, calm down. Sora, ready?
Thank you.
Awesome.
Maybe these.
Her face is so tiny for this. Ready?
Go. Ah!
Wow.
So cute.
Wow.
That is really
I'll do
cool.
my arms right now. Yay! Woohoo! Look, we're matching.
Oh, that's cool.
One hole. It was one.
It was a one hole blue or the one hole.
Red and
Oh
white.
wow,
And then
that's
she just
smart.
cut it in half and...
And you guys a matching t-shirt.
We could do matching stars now.
Here, I'll take over.
Ready? Ta-da!
Wow.
I know it doesn't start till really like in
Oh,
evening,
very
huh? This mister will have tattoo too.
No.
And then like right here.
Okay, I think this one is sticking. You wanna move it?
No, you can do that.
You have
Okay,
to
ready?
hold it for like 30 seconds.
Woo! This one was too close to the eye. You look cute.
Hey!
Hey, we're ready.
Can I
You
see
feel
it
famous?
too?
Sure. Come on up.
Nana's videoing you.
Hey!
You look so pretty.
So please stop bouncing the couch.
I think we'll do two on
I
this
have it
one,
right, don't I?
Which one?
too. Oh no, that's fine. Just one.
I want this five.
Ready?
I want that five.
Beautiful.
We can get you one. And we can get you some fireworks.
Beautiful.
Woo-hoo.
Looky.
Nice.
Right there, please.
What's that?
Firework. Oh, it's on. Let's go.
Chica wants her treat.
What are you eating, Sora?
That's funny.
Cheetos. Cheetos. Where are we
You get to tell
going?
us where you're going.
Walk.
Going to-
You know me so
Hi, Haley.
Hi.
How are you?
Hey.
4th of July, baby.
4th of July.
4th of July.
Okay, Nana, what did we do before our walk?
What did we do?
Yeah.
We played cards. Oh, look at these pretty flowers.
Yeah. Pretty flowers.
Wow.
Right,
Left, right, left,
right, straight.
right, left, straight.
Twirly corner. See you when we get home.
We'll be home soon.
You're in
We're
charge.
home.
Okay. Okay, chica. Hi.
I'll throw it.
Oh, you like that one? That one's not loud at all, huh?
Yep, all gone.
It's like a snap in your fingers.
Here.
Do you know where it went? Oh.
Watch me, okay? Great job!
Good job.
I need more fire!
Daddy's getting some for you.
Are you excited? Watch. Look, Sora. Whoa!
I'll get it. You stay here.
Oh, look, it's blue. I want to do the fussy pea again.
Smoker.
Whoa, look at that.
It's gonna be quiet. Is that it?
Ready? Woo! That one's kind of better. It started at the beginning. Woo! Whoa!
Purple's like white.
Oh, yeah.
Go, 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 go.
Woo! What's that?
Whoa.
So, what do you think? Was that good or bad? Good. Did you like it? Yeah. Yeah?
Double 19. Not a baby. Oh, damn. 17. Just a little outside.
Oh my
She loves
gosh.
walls.
Oh my.
Is it because you need your... Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Wow.
Stick it in there.
Sora, juju da ne.
Hey, you ready for the butter?
Yeah.
Sora, after you're done with that, I have a really good job for you. So you come over here.
Cup.
But this is what I normally do. After she puts the muffin tins in, spray each muffin cup.
Oh, I can do that.
Then you put this stuff on in it, and then when you take it off to eat it, it doesn't stick.
What happened to the dog stuff?
Oh!
Here, Sora, here.
And I started drinking, and then I
Done. Katie, new next.
just spray it like all around, like really quick. And then that one, yep.
Roadhouse. Oh, Debbie's great.
Yummy, yummy.
No.
Ooh, look at the macaroni. Oh, look at Papa. Nice.
It's we get happy for the drive. We get a daily like a butter.
Butter. You want a butter too?
Microwave s'more. Mmm. That's so good. Yummy. Wow, this is cool. Woo! That one is hard. Woo!
That was good. That was good.